There you go, guys. So that's on the WhamBam, no brim. It's just wrapping up on the print. See, 230 and 60. You can see how good that is on using Cura. That's thin wall printing look. So that's a head fan on there, but this one is off. Yeah, that's the one that drives the side. That's your extruder at the back, pumping material in. You can probably see it retract as well at some point. Wait for it. There you go. That's the retract working. That's 6mm retract. You can print yourself a little arm for the ender, so it just stops the filament, dragging down the side. That's your other stepper motor on the side, and obviously the stepper motor on the back, yeah. And there's your power supply on the back. That's your main board down there. And that is the ender. It takes about 40 minutes to assemble. It's a cracking little printer, I'd highly recommend it. So once you've got Cura all dialed in, you can print straight onto glass, or in this case, straight onto the WhamBam system. That's the ender plate. It's a little bit, it's flexy again, magnetic, but it's kind of got a grippy surface. On the bigger parts, sometimes I might use this, but in general I prefer to use the WhamBam system, because you can just pick it straight off the plate. Alright, catch you later.